Hi, I'm Kerri, and today we're going to go over how to clean your fixed on appliance at home. It's super important to make sure you're doing really good toothbrushing morning and night, and today we're going to show you how you can use specific brushes to get right in about every little bracket and round each surface so that we don't cause any damage to your enamel. You're going to have your braces on for quite a long time, and of course we're going to see you for regular appointments. We'll check that at every visit, but it's important that you know how to look after it yourself at home to get the best out of your treatment, get the best outcome and have a happy smile. Today we're going to unbox your orthodontic cleaning kit that you can use at home to keep your appliances nice and clean. So if we pop this open, in the inside we have an instruction leaflet which is handy for giving you a little bit more detail of each of the brushes or the aids that are in here, so you can have a wee read of that when you get home. Our main toothbrush, of course, is just this little big one here that you've probably got something similar already. That's fantastic. It's doing generic cleaning all the way around the brace. We'll start off by showing you exactly what to do with this brush. And if you look, for example, we have a kind of track brace on the teeth here just now. And basically what you would want to do is start with the brush, doing circular motions all the way around from the back to the front, ensuring that you cover every part of the appliance. You can go from underneath, you can go from over the top and right over across the surface. You also want to make sure that you're getting right up onto the gum line by doing little circular motions right across, and again ensuring you get every surface all the way around. Of course we don't want to forget about the back, so again turning your brush on the inside and making sure you brush right from the inside, right where the tooth joins to meet the gum. Next up we have what we call a single tufted toothbrush, which if you look at it in comparison, it's just a smaller head, little round bristles. And again, what you can make sure you do with that is make sure you're getting this right in close, right down behind the wires and around every single bracket, the areas that the big toothbrush might actually miss. You can push this, it's pretty strong, right up and under your wires. You shouldn't damage the brace by doing any type of brushing. Next, we have a little interdental brush. This is ideal for making sure any food that's stuck in between your appliance, you can use this brush to go in between the wires, up and down the way, and get those little areas that again, the bigger toothbrushes tend to miss. It's very easy to use and very effective. Lastly, we have our Orthodontic Wax, and this is in case you have any ulcers or any sore spots round about the inside of the lips or the cheeks. Sometimes the brackets can cause a little bit of trauma to the inside of the mouth for the first few weeks after you get your appliance fitted. So ideally you would take a small pea-size amount from the little strips of wax. This is just made from silicone. It will not cause any problems, and if you swallow it, it definitely won't cause you too much trouble. You can roll the wax into a small little ball and apply it just right over the little brackets, anywhere or any jaggy areas that seem to be causing you any problems. It fits nice and tight right across the bracket and will stay on for a relatively good period of time, just to give the gum or the inside of your lip or your cheek some relief if you have any kind of rubbing or sore spots.